Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo, Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate Insider. We're a nationwide commercial and residential lender, and we also do the realty with our nationwide network of teams. So today, that's actually what we're talking about, Angelo, Christian, why use us, and what's the process? Everyone always asks me, Angelo, what is the process? So we're going to explain that today so everyone can understand what the process is to get a home loan and close with our team. One of the things when you're getting a mortgage loan, you're buying a house, it's extremely cumbersome. It's very mundane. There's a lot of things going on, thousands of details. It's very emotional. It's very intense, because you're moving, your family's moving, you're changing addresses, you're having to get movers, you're having to pack up all your stuff, change school districts, maybe sometimes move across country, change jobs. Maybe not, maybe just change addresses, right? And it gets intense, it gets stressful. So one of the things that we try to do, that we work very hard, is to reduce the stress in your life to make your job easier for you so you can just close on your house, okay? But if you're not working with the right players or the right team, that process can become very cumbersome, very chaotic, and it can add more stress to you. So with our company, one of the things that we do, not only as the lender, we also offer a realty package with you, so that way it reduces the stress and saves you money in the long run. That's what I'm going to talk about today. So with our company, using the lending and the realty. So basically, when you apply for a home loan, you get pre-approved. You're given an approval letter by your lender, and then you go out there to shop for your home. Now, usually, you just kind of go out into the woods, like you're just walking the woods, like you have your approval letter, but you have no proper representation. And that's normally the normal situation when a lender pre-approves a person. They give an approval letter, say, when you find the house, you go under contract, contact us and let us know so we can help you to close the loan. But see, no one's there to help guide you along the way, kind of like in Star Wars, you had, Yoda to guide, young Luke, right? So you have to have someone there to guide you along the way. That's why we use our realty, because if you just go with any realtor, they might take you to another lender. They might take you to steer you down the wrong road. They might have you pay closing costs. They might not show you the best house. Maybe they are a really good realtor and they take very good care of you. That's why with our company, we want to make sure that the realtor and the lender are properly vetted to give you the best service, to give you the best experience, so you make sure that you have the best home loan program and the best realty. Because we've been down this for 20 years and we've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, and we want you to be with the best. So it's important that you're working with the right lender and the right realtor. So like, for example, when we pre-approve you with our process, it's very straightforward. It's only 4 steps, okay? 4-step process with Angelo Christian to close on your home loan, okay? The first thing is apply for the loan. Number 1, apply for the loan. You make an application with us, we get you pre-approved. Step 2, we connect you with our realtor. That's step 2. Approve you for the loan, give you your approval letter, you go get connected with the realtor. They meet with you locally in your hometown, whether you're in Orlando, Las Vegas, San Diego, Dallas, Jersey, Bronx, doesn't matter. They're going to sit with you and meet with you right in person. Okay? Step 3, shop. You have money to shop for a home. You have an approval letter in hand from the bank. You go to shop for the home, okay? Step 4, close. We want to make it very simple for you to close on your home and not add 20, 30, 40 steps. Because what happens here in this whole process is a bunch of gray area that we don't want to expose you to, all right? If you just go out there into the woods, you got all kinds of things in the woods. You got wolves, you got hogs, you got bears, you got lions, you got tigers, all right? And believe me, they're out there. And if you don't have the right representation looking after your best interest, you're never going to get to this spot over here, down here at the close. And if you do, you may have gotten ripped off. And I don't know about you, but I've been ripped off before when I bought a house, when I didn't know better, when I just started in this industry and I didn't know what was going on. And you got to be really careful. Okay, like one of the big things with our realtors, they all work 7 days a week. They respond by text, email. They work their hardest to get you closing cost assistance. They make sure that you're protected in the contract so you don't lose your earnest money. I can't tell how many realtors I've seen written contracts for people where they have no protection for financing or property contingencies. They waive all the contingencies, and then they go under contract, and something bad happens with the property, and they lose their earnest money. Very dangerous. Or they make the buyer pay all the closing. Oh, it's a seller's market. They always say it's a seller's market. It's been a seller's market for 20 years. Can't get any closing costs for the buyer. It's not true. 90% of our loans, we get closing cost assistance. Why is that? Up to $10,000, 3%, 6% in some states. How come our realtors can do that, but other realtors say they can't do it because they don't want to do it. They don't want to go to bat for you. They don't want to fight for you. Okay? And that's the difference with our team, is that we're going to go the extra mile to make sure that you're protected, to make sure you get those first-time buyer grants, those incentives, those tax credits, those closing cost assistance programs, because you deserve that. Okay? You deserve to have the best loan and the best realtor representation. And also to be easy on you. It doesn't need to be a stressful process, because already buying a home is extremely stressful. So let's make it easier, reduce some of that, okay? So this is the process with us. So if you know anyone out there that's trying to buy a home, and maybe you're trying to buy a home and you need help, call or text us at 832-431-6331. We're a nationwide lender. We're open 7 days a week. There's not a lot of lenders that I know that'll take your call on Saturday or Sunday night. Most lenders are closed on the weekend, and definitely after 5 o'clock. So we'll be here to help you, rain, snow, or shine. So we want to be able to help you to get you the best funding in America. We've been doing this for 20 years and helped hundreds of thousands of people. So please reach out to us any way we can to get you the best home loan, the best service, the best realty. If you want to click on that link below, there's a link to click on there to get signed up, to get pre-approved in the YouTube channel. Or like I said, you can call or text us. We actually are a real company. We answer the phone. We talk to our clients. We're not just an automated service. You see a lot of stuff going to automation right now, and I love automation. But I still believe there has to be communication, eyes to eyes or ear to ear or face to face. And so, anything we can do to help you to get you the funding, please reach out to us. Thank you so much for watching our show, and check out my next video, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.